Okay, so for interaction with new material, let's see how you did. First thing you should do is number your angles. Remember, this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 2, this is a 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. So now you need to decide which 2 angles you want to use. And it doesn't matter which ones you pick. You just have to know if they're congruent or supplementary. I like congruent angles, so I'm going to look for 2 numbers that are the same. So this is a 1, and this is a 1. So I'm going to set them equal to each other. So one equation you could write is this. So if you wrote that one, you did it correctly. You could also write, you could have chosen the 2's. I'll pick a different color. So this is a 2, and this is a 2. So you could have written 11x minus 7 equals 10x plus 1. If you chose different angles, so maybe you chose supplementary, so you picked a 1 and a 2, you'd have to add those together. So you could also have written 8x plus 19 plus 11x minus 7 equals 180. Or you could have chosen these. You'd have to add them together because they're supplementary. 12x plus 3, we're going to add this one, plus 10x plus 1 equals 180. You could also have added C and B because they're 180, or A and D. So any 1 and 2 you're going to add together, but if they're the same number, a 1 and a 1, you're going to use the easier equations. So any one of these would have worked. You're going to try practice problem number 1. You're just writing the equation. You don't have to solve it yet.